right, so now, looks like my dishes are all clean and dry. Need to open up the dishwasher and get ready to put them away. First, what I like to do is put similar things that are like each other together. So like this bowl and this bowl will go together, put them on the counter. And then I like to put, this has a lid, put the lid on top. Just like this one has a lid. I don't like it when things get lost, so I like to keep things together. This bowl is plastic and colorful. I put them together inside the other bowls. Ooh, look like another pair of lids. And this one, clipping it on. Also, I like to do that at the bottom. I like to get all my plates. So I have some plates that are white at my house. Rest them on the counter so they don't break, because these are heavier plates. I also have colorful plastic plates that I put together, and I put them all together. Then I get ready to start putting them in the cupboards. This is my plate and bowl cupboard. Because I'm tall enough to reach, I can carry them all together and put them up high. Some people might need to use a stool or ask for help to reach a tall cupboard. Luckily, I grew up big, so I can reach. Then I get my bowls, and they go even higher. And then I get my Tupperware. It's all the plastic things that I save food in. And I have a cupboard down low. And I stack them with other things that look like them. Next, I come back for other odd things. I have plastic cups and glass cups. I put glass ones up high, and we keep our plastic down low. I'm done with this cupboard. I can close it. One more glass cup and a spatula. Glass cups go up top. I'm gonna close that. Also done with this one, close that. My spatulas go in a drawer. Next, I have my silverware. I really like my silverware because I like to put things with other like matching things. So I pull out forks, put them with other forks. I have a spot for little spoons and a spot for bigger spoons. Ooh, fork. Ooh, this is my favorite spoon to eat cereal with. Once the drawer is all full and the holder is empty, I can close the drawer and my silverware holder can go right back inside. I can close the dishwasher, close the door. Oh, and remember that I forgot a few things. And there we go, friends. And that was a great practice of starting our dishwasher, letting it run, and remembering to come back and put all the dishes in the right place.